Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever wondered how those beautiful, smooth cakes get their perfect finish? That's often fondant, a sweet and moldable icing that's surprisingly versatile. It's perfect for covering cakes, creating intricate decorations, and really making your bakes stand out with a professional look. Plus, making your own at home is surprisingly easy, much more cost-effective, and can be a lot of fun. To start your fondant journey, gather a few basic items. You'll need a bag of miniature marshmallows, plenty of powdered sugar, and just a tablespoon or two of water. A tiny bit of vegetable shortening is also key for keeping things from sticking, and a splash of vanilla extract will give your fondant a delightful flavor. Now, let's get those marshmallows melting. Put them into a microwave-safe bowl with 1 tablespoon of water. Pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, then stir everything well. Continue heating in 15-second intervals, stirring after each, until the mixture is completely smooth and gooey. Time for the fun part, kneading. Grease your hands and a clean surface with a little shortening. Begin incorporating your powdered sugar into the melted marshmallow mixture. Once it's cool enough, turn it out onto your prepared surface. Continue kneading, adding more sugar as needed, until the fondant is smooth, elastic, and no longer sticky. This is also when you can knead in gel food coloring for beautiful custom shades. Once your fondant is perfect, wrap it tightly in plastic wrap, ensuring no air can get in. Then, place it inside an airtight bag or container. Homemade fondant can be stored at room temperature for up to 2 weeks, or even longer in the refrigerator. If it feels a bit stiff when you're ready to use it, simply knead it briefly with a tiny bit of shortening until it softens up again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.